In this video, we are going to learn about Unit 1 measurement. Measurement. The comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is known as measurement. Measurement of a quantity has two parts, they are number and unit. Now we are going to discuss some measuring tools. Measuring tape. Measuring tape. It is used to measure the length of a distance. For example, room. In order to measure the distance between one end of a room to other end, we are using a measuring tape. Second one is stop clock. If you're running from one point to another point and you want to know the timing at that place, we can use stop clock. Balance. It is used to measure the mass of the object. For example, weighing machine. In order to measure the sugar, they'll use weighing machine in ration shop. So this will be the exact example for balance. And fourth one is meter scale. It is used to measure the length of the object. For example, to measure the length of a cloth. You will have visually seen this in tailor shop. The tailor will use meter scale to measure the length of a cloth. Terms related to measurement: weight, kilogram, liters, milliliters, kilometer, length and distance. Length. The distance between one point and the other desired point is known as length. For example, it may be the distance between the edges of your book or the corners of the football ground in your school. The standard unit of length is meter. It is represented by the letter M. Very small lengths can be measured in millimeter and centimeter. Larger measures, say height of a building, length of a banner or height of a lamppost, are all measured in meter. A ruler or a scale used nowadays to measure the length. Unit of a length, it is very important to know. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. I am repeating this again. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Millimeter. The distance between any consecutive smaller markings with a centimeter denotes a millimeter. It is written as mm. Whereas you can see that a small lines in between 0 and 1. This is called as a millimeter. How many divisions are there in a centimeter? 10 millimeter divisions. How many centimeter divisions are in their meter? That is, it is 1000 centimeter division. Why do we need SI units? For the sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of units to express measurements. This system is called as the International System of Units or SI units. SI units. So these are the SI units for length, mass, time, area and volume. SI units for length is meter. SI unit for mass is kilogram. SI unit for time is second. SI unit for area is meter square and SI unit for volume is meter cube. Mass. Mass is the measurement of the amount of matter in an object. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. It is represented by kg. Weight is a gravitational pull experienced by matter. The weight is directly proportional to the mass on the Earth's surface. Beam balance. We use beam balance to measure mass. We discussed about this in a previous slides. I gave an example of weighing machine which is used in the ration shop. Electronic balance. An electronic balance is a device used to find the accurate measurements of a weight. It is very commonly used in laboratories. Electronic balance is an instrument which provides accurate measurement or mass correct up to milligram. Electronic balance may also be used to weigh food, other grocery items as well as jewelry. Example, for jewelry, you need 8 grams of ring but you purchase 12 grams. In order to know or measure the accurate grams of jewelry, we can make use of electronic balance machine. Example for grocery or food is, we have purchased some oranges and you need to know the weight of that. At that time, we can use the electronic balance machine to measure the weight. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram, 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 kilogram equal to 1 ton. I am repeating this again. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram, 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 kilogram equal to 1 ton. Time. In the earlier days, people used sand clock and sundial to measure the passage of time during daytime. So nowadays we are using a clock to notice the time. In earlier or ancient days, people will use sundial to measure the time. How do we measure change of time? Clocks are used to measure time. We can use electronic clocks, stopwatch and other instruments to count even smaller durations of time. Odometer. An odometer is a device used for indicating a distance traveled by an automobile. If you're traveling from Tambram to Tinagar and you want to know how many kilometers you have traveled, at that time you can notice the exact kilometer in your vehicle odometer. For this purpose, odometer is used. Thank you.